In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change price on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cancel an existing listing and relist your NFT at a new price, step by step. Make sure you're logged in, your wallet is connected, and you have a small amount of the network's token available for potential gas fees. If you use two-factor authentication, have your authenticator app handy. First, head to the OpenSea website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and hover over the profile icon. This opens a quick menu. Click Profile to view your items and active listings. On your profile, find the NFT whose price you want to change. If you have many items, you can filter by listed items to make it easier. When you see the correct item, click it to open the item details page. On the item page, locate the cancel option on the current listing. OpenSea treats price changes as a new listing, so you'll cancel the old one first. Click Cancel. A confirmation window appears. Click Confirm to proceed and be ready to confirm the action in your wallet if prompted. Depending on the network and timing, canceling a listing can require a gas fee. This is normal. If gas is unusually high, you can wait and try again later. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you'll be asked to type in your authentication code. Open your authenticator app, enter the current 6-digit code, and submit. Never share this code with anyone. Once the listing is canceled, you'll see the option to list for sale. Click that to start the new listing. Enter the new price you want. Double-check the currency and network shown on the page. Make sure it matches where your NFT is held, such as ETH or another supported token. Remember to factor in marketplace fees and creator royalties so you understand your net amount. Next, click on the days setting to choose how long the new listing should remain active. You can pick a preset duration or set a custom end date that fits your strategy. Shorter listings can create urgency, while longer ones maximize visibility. When everything looks right, click Review Listing. Take a moment to confirm the item, price, currency, and duration. If OpenSea or your wallet asks for a signature or approval, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. After that, your item will show the updated price on its page and in your profile. That's it. Your NFT is now relisted at the new price. Thanks for watching and happy listing.